I'm Chef Mike Moses, and welcome to my kitchen. In fact, welcome to my channel. I'm here to help you cook better, eat healthier, and shop smarter. And what do I mean by that? Well, for cook better, you need to know the techniques and the processes that it takes to prepare your food. You don't want to burn it, and you don't want to undercook it. I'll teach you some safety tips, some cooking tips, and how to get the most out of your kitchen. For eating healthier, that's easy. No more processed foods. Make everything from scratch if you have the time, and bring more plant-based foods into your diets and more nuts. I'll show you how. And shop smarter? Well, that's easy. I'll teach you some techniques on how to buy in bulk, buy your meat in bulk, buy your fish in bulk, your produce, and we'll show you how to properly vacuum seal it and store it and freeze it without throwing any money away with freezer burn. As you know, it's been a journey. I started the channel over a year and a half ago, and I was kind of camera shy, so I started off with an avatar. You may have noticed that in some of my older videos. As we update, well, we'll be doing a lot more things here in the kitchen and outside. Like I said, spring is here, so we might as well go out to some of the artisan farms. We might as well go see where fiddleheads come from. I've got a few trips to the southern states where I'm going to investigate some barbecue for you. We'll also go out on the deck sometime this summer, and we'll do some barbecuing as well. I do hope you stick around, hit the subscribe button or the like button. If you'd like to support me even more, feel free to drop over to my Patreon page, Chef Mike Moses. That's my Twitter account, that's my Instagram handle, and I'm always online so I can answer your questions to help you cook better, eat healthier, and shop smarter.